warm welcome to the first module of Polygon series. Today's session will ensure we have a solid hold on the basics of polygons. After this module, you will be able to classify shapes as open or closed, identify polygons, and distinguish them from non-polygons. Shapes are indeed all around us, adding complexity and beauty to our world. Let's explore how these shapes are similar and yet uniquely different from each other. If we have a mischievous horse, which is a better barnyard to put it in? Which one would you recommend? Is it A or would you recommend B? Well, A seems to be a better option as one cannot enter or exit its boundary. This makes A a closed shape and B an open one. Observe the shapes on the screen. What do you notice about those on the right? Do they have gaps or openings? That's right. The shapes you see on the right of the screen have gaps or openings, which means that if we have to make it back to the starting point, we will have to pick our pen or pencil from the paper because these shapes begin and end at the different points. Hence, these shapes are open shapes, while those on the left, they form a continuous boundary or path with no gaps. These shapes that loop back on themselves are called closed shapes. So which of these are closed? The shapes that are on the left of the screen have the same starting and same ending point, hence they are the closed shapes. Now is the time for you to quickly type in the answer in the comment section below and also support your answer with a reason. Which of these is a closed shape, A or B? Take a close look at the shapes on the screen and find the common thread. Are all these shapes closed? Yes, because they have a continuous path or boundary. We cannot locate their starting or end points. Even though these 2D shapes are tied with a common thread of being closed, but they still have variations. Can you identify the difference? Look closely and you will notice that some shapes are drawn using curves, while we may use a combination of curves and line segments for others. And then there are shapes that can be drawn using the line segments only. These are polygons. They form the basis of most of the geometry concepts for middle school and upwards. Let's summarize. Closed two-dimensional shapes, when drawn using line segments only, form polygons. Now is the time for us to quickly practice together. Which of these shapes should I select if I am looking for polygons? Is it A, B, C or D? The correct option is A, because A is the only closed shape. B, C and D are open shapes. Which of these shapes should I select if I am looking for polygons? Is it A, B, C or D? The correct option is B, because B is the only closed shape that has been drawn using line segments only. So now we know about polygons, and technically you might expect them to be called shapes, not curves. But in many books and resources, at times the term shape is used interchangeably with curves, which doesn't necessarily mean curvy or with a curvature in the classical sense. Instead, it means a shape that has a continuous path or boundary. The main characteristic of a polygon is closed 2D made up of straight lines or line segments. Let us summarize. 2D shapes, here I have put curves also. So 2D shapes that begin and end at the same point are called closed 2D shapes. And when these closed 2D curves or shapes are drawn using line segments only, they form polygons. Stay in the video till the end to dive into the rapid fire round and show off your math skills. I'm now leaving you with questions that will challenge your understanding. Put your pen to paper, music on or mute, whatever helps you focus. Take your time and let your math progress shine and reflect. I will see you in the next video to discover the different types of polygons. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing and stay curious.